victory by Nike. Asanovic now as the Croatian side comes right out, and Suker with the goal! Sukerman!
Suker himself, Bob, has said that the time to score goals is just after halftime. And this is a brilliant ball from Asanovic. And Suker had found the space we kept talking that he was looking for. That is behind the last defender. See him getting in behind the wing back. That is Lizarazu, whom they tried to expose before. But Asanovic, with that gifted left foot, drops it in behind Lizarazu, number 3. Suker read that beautifully, was in, no chance whatsoever for Barthez, and a shocking go-ahead goal for Croatia.
Just like Ronaldo's quick strike early in the second half last night for Brazil. Davor Suker, his 5th of the World Cup.